Denim's legacy, an evolving story of style, culture, and comfort.
From workwear to runway, the evolution of denim from utility to fashion icon.
From humble beginnings to global icons, denim continues to shape the world. Like, subscribe, and share to continue the journey.
From seed to fabric, cotton plays a vital role in shaping our world. Stay tuned to see how it becomes denim.
Planting cotton seeds into the rich, prepared soil.
Healthy soil is key to high-quality cotton growth.
Cotton bolls begin to form, a sign of the upcoming harvest.
The role of weather in shaping cotton quality and its ultimate texture.
Sustainable farming practices using organic fertilizers and minimal water usage.
Advancements in cotton farming for a more sustainable future.
Harvesting the cotton bolls.
Loading it for transport to the denim factory. Cotton bales head toward the factory for the next stage of production.
Arriving at the factory, ready for the next stage of transformation.
Inspecting cotton bolls for quality before processing.
Cotton fibers are now ready for spinning.
The magic of spinning, transforming fibers into strong, uniform yarns. Traditional indigo dyeing for that rich, timeless blue.
Dyeing the yarn to achieve the signature denim blue.
Winding the yarn onto spools for the next step.
The intricate dance of warp and weft, where threads interlace to form denim's iconic diagonal twill.
Weaving the yarn into denim fabric, a timeless process.
Each thread interlaces perfectly to form the iconic diagonal twill pattern.
Inspecting the fabric for imperfections before finishing.
Non-selvage denim, a raw edge, often finished later to prevent fraying.
The cutting edge. Precision in cutting denim for minimal waste.
Selvage denim, a clean, tightly woven edge cherished by denim enthusiasts. Behind your denim, many of us take our...
Sewing the denim into the final jean structure.
Adding essential details, pockets, belt loops, and seams for strength and style.
Reinforcing with double stitches to ensure durability.
Stitching stories, assembling denim pieces into a finished pair of jeans.
Eco-friendly laser finishes create intricate fading with minimal water usage.
Eco-friendly production, reducing water waste in denim dyeing.
Whiskering, creating natural-looking creases for an authentic look. Distressing jeans for that well-worn, vintage look.
Pressing for a polished, crisp finish.
final inspection, ensuring every pair meets our high-quality standards.
Final quality check and packaging for distribution.
Packaging the finished jeans for distribution.
And ready for the journey to stores worldwide.
Why do denim enthusiasts swear by Selve Edge? The edge represents quality and craftsmanship.
You wear them almost every day, but do you truly appreciate the incredible...
From the moment the fabric is cut to the final pair of jeans, the journey is a mix of precision, craftsmanship, and artistry.
From fiber to fabric, your favorite jeans are now ready for you to wear.
American Mills, pioneers in mass denim production and innovation.
Italian Denim Mills, blending tradition with innovation. From Japan to Italy, exploring the global reach of denim mills.
From warp to weft, and from one loom to another, the legacy of denim endures. Like,
Denim takes on a cultural identity associated with rebellion and youth in the 1950s.
Denims rise to high fashion. Designer brands bring denim to the runway.
From streetwear to luxury, denim remains a central figure in global fashion.